Hey you guys, it's your girl Miss Glueless 7, and today I'm coming to you, okay, with another tutorial, you guys. Now it's going to be a frontal tutorial with the installation like the last time what I did, but this time it's going to be glueless, y'all. So my little friend here, Lynn, she like mostly wear glueless, so we're just going to do a glueless installation because I've never done one really from start to finish, like fully detailed. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So her hair's already braided because she had this locked, so we're just going to continue using these braids because I'm like not in the mood. Okay, she have a lot of hair. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you would like to see what I'll be doing, stay tuned. Okay you guys, so we already tucked the back of her braids down because when I say her hair is so thick, it's like so thick. So we already tucked it, and we will be using a black, because the last time I ran out of black mesh caps, we will be using a black mesh cap just to hold her braids down and just to protect the hair. So let's do this. So this is her frontal, you guys. I already tweezed it, so it's looking super nice right now. And right now we're going to start the glueless process, and I'll be using the elastic band method. Okay you guys, so all I'm using now is a elastic band like so. I think this is like a 1-inch elastic band, and I got this from Walmart. And I will just be like putting it from the corner from one ear to the next ear. So I'll be just like stretching it from the back. Like, it literally looks so cute already. I'm gonna just cut this off and then start the process. Okay you guys, so once I cut off the edges, I'm now going to add the elastic band to each side, and then we're going to have ourselves a glueless frontal, okay? Now we want to like make it extra secure, so I'll be putting stitches between the frontal itself on two sides. So if you notice, this side is all up. So what we do in this sense is we pull it forward. Her hair comes all the way out, so that's fine. And then I'm gonna part it. Just in case you wanted to do a side part, I'm gonna still leave that part out, like right there. But I'm gonna part this section out right now to know where I'm monitoring. And I'll be pulling it forward. Hold this. I'm gonna have her hold it. Always use your clients, y'all. And I will be sewing right along this line. Just for extra security, I will be parting one more line through the frontal and let her hold it so I can stitch another. And then I'm gonna do the same process on the other side. Okay you guys, so we finished this part of the installation, which is the frontal, glueless frontal installation section, and right now I'm about to fill in the back. I have a couple videos, or maybe a video I think on how I sew in the back, so if you guys want that, I'll like put the link up here so you guys can watch that. But other from that, I will be just filling in it right now, and then I'll come back with the styling off of the glueless frontal because it's a completely different styling. Okay. Okay you guys, so we just finished installing the whole entire thing. Now I'm about to like curl it and set it, and then I'm gonna deal with the front for you guys. Okay, so just stay tuned for that. So she just got a little excited because her hair is full and she keep playing with it. Let me show y'all a snap right here what she be going on with. And see what you're not gonna mess up the part I just did, okay? Anyways, So I'm trying to like define her part. She wanted a middle part this time, so it's gonna be right here. So what I'm gonna do is just tweeze a little out, a little hair from out of the middle, so the part can be, you know, visible and cute. So this is how it should be looking, y'all, where you can kind of see the part open, and then everything's gonna be blended after this. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, you know, her hairline come all the way out to her eyelashes. So I mean her eyebrows, which I meant to say that, her eyebrows. So, you know, we're just gonna blend the hair with her side baby hairs, and it's both sides that's doing the same thing. And as I said, this is a glueless, so this is not stuck to her head. We can lift it up, so, you know, yeah. Anyways, what I'm gonna start doing is just setting some baby hairs and then tie her hair down. Also, the sides are always left down to camouflage the side, because obviously it's not sewed down to anything, so that's why we always leave the side out. So I'll like kind of razor that, or I'll just leave it long. It doesn't matter. I don't think she'll be putting her hair up or anything, which I don't recommend. So here we go. I'm gonna just start doing some baby hairs, and lately I've been doing it like this, where I find wherever I'm parting, and then I take out the hair like right here. Like so. And I'll do the same to this side. Like so. So, yeah. Lotion, which is the Lotta body, which is perfect. And because I did this doesn't mean this is where it ends. I have to do a lot more. So this part, as I said, I'll blend it with her natural hair right here. And I'll just put this in the side where, like this. So that's kind of how I'm setting the sides. I will be using the Freeze It spray, and I'll be spraying it on the lace itself, like all the spaces I see on the lace, and that's kind of gonna let the lace be stuck to her skin a little, you know, just to let it last a little longer so it don't be moving. And then I'll be wrapping it with a scarf. Hold this on. This is the iron I'll be using. This is flat on, it is down, it is not moving, y'all. Like if I try to, yep, not moving. So right now we're about to curl this part, and I'm just going to kind of curl it in layers. Letting her hair set, just coming out the side first. You don't want it to look too face down, you just kind of want it to be free. Okay, you guys, the fluff is real. I am loving it. I like the length that I had chose. Right now I'm about to make sure this part is just flat a little, because I don't want it to poof. So yeah. My frontal is flat. I usually put foam in between the frontal, and I do it like so. I don't know if you guys can see, look at this side comparing to the other side. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. guys. So I'm sure you see all of this, and it's called flyaways. So what I usually use is my wax stick. This is the MC7 Collection wax stick, and I just add a little to my palm like so. I'll rub it out, and then I'll just gently put it over all the flyaways, and then this flyaways be gone. So I use the wax stick on my natural hair, but I'll also use it on wigs and frontals for all those little flyaways that keeps popping up, okay? So you guys, I hope you love this little tutorial I just did. Her hair looks fabulous. So now we're just going to see a cute little video of her playing with it. So thank you guys for watching. You know, it's your girl, Miss Glueless 7. So look out for the next video.